Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. My name is Phyllis, and if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to thank you for stopping by and ask that you please consider subscribing by tapping the subscribe button, click the bell and select all to be notified of all future videos that I upload. And to my faithful established viewers, thank you so much for your continued support in watching my videos. Here on my channel, I share DIYs, home decor, Goodwill thrift hauls, and more. In this video, I am participating in the Outrageous Orange Tablescape. And this is being hosted by Marilyn of Fabulous Designs on a Budget. And her co-hosts are Creatively MsMe and Jazigreen. I will leave the link to all three of these young ladies' channel in the description box below, along with the playlist of all the participants that are participating in this Outrageous Orange Tablescape collaboration. I went on Pinterest, as I always do, to get inspiration, and what caught my eye more so than the orange are the blue pattern dishwares on these three tables. And I remembered that I purchased a curtain about 2 months ago from Family Dollar and used it to cover two chargers that was in the Bold, the Blue, and the Beautiful tablescape. Also, I was inspired to create my own flowers using coffee filters, and this young lady, Tony of Your House a Home, she has a link which I will also leave in the description box showing how to make these coffee filter flowers. If you're interested in seeing how I put all of this together, then just keep watching. The video will be at full speed of showing how I make the coffee filters as to not make this a very long video, but again, I will put the link in the description box below of how she created them, which is the same steps that I'm following. I hope you enjoy. so much for watching. JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. And until next time, bye-bye.